Hi, I'm Lindsay from Lindsay Elliott Coaching. So it's a massive misconception in our society that if you've got a problem, that thinking hard enough and long enough about it is the thing that's going to solve it. But what if the complete opposite is true? So I want to give you a metaphor to help you maybe remember this next time that you're maybe stuck in an issue or a problem that you feel that you're really overthinking. So this is what tends to happen. We have a problem and we think, right, I've just got to think about this. I've got to spend some time thinking about it. But what happens is the mind tends to just get really busy. It dives into the future. It goes back into the past and it thinks about it when you don't want to be thinking about it. You know, when you're trying to concentrate on something else, your mind's thinking about the problem, or it wakes you up in the middle of the night thinking about the problem. And in those moments, it looks like you really need to pay attention to that, like it's something important that's happening, that it's going to help you solve it, and that this is a necessary process of having a problem that you want to solve. But I want you to imagine, if you're English, if you're in the UK, a hoover; if you're American, a vacuum. And if you've done lots of hoovering or vacuuming, the bag in your vacuum cleaner or your hoover slowly gets fuller and fuller and fuller until it's at the point where it reaches capacity and it's no longer doing a great job of actually what it's supposed to be doing, which is picking up the dust and the dirt that's on your floor. So when you're at this point of the bag being really full and it's not at maximum efficiency, it's not at maximum capacity, it's not actually doing the job that it's supposed to do, that's the time when you have to go to the hoover, empty the bin and put in a fresh bag. Now, the equivalent of this for the mind is when we find that we're caught in overthinking, our mind is ruminating about something that's happened in the past, or it's thinking over this issue, this problem that we've got to solve. We notice that the vacuum bag or the hoover bag of our mind is pretty full. We can tell that we're not getting anywhere. We're just spinning our wheels, going around in circles. There's no new thoughts coming. Crucially, no solution is coming. That's the time to metaphorically empty your hoover bag or your vacuum bag. Now, by that, I just mean when the overthinking starts again, we just don't pay as much attention to it. So once your mind presents the topic of your problem again, you can just gently turn your attention away to it. If it occurs to you, you might go for a walk or a swim or a jog, or just purposefully not think about it. Put it on the back burner of your mind, as I like to say. Because when we put something on the back burner of our mind, it's not in the full focus, we're not totally caught in that overthinking. Our innate, natural, deeper intelligence will absolutely give us the insight that we need. It will absolutely present the solution to the problem. It never comes from overthinking.